Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've saved the Garageband project, and now you start exporting. This matters because the export determines compatibility and file size. Open Share and select Export Song to Disk, then name the file so you recognize it later. Choose a destination folder you control. I recommend Desktop for quick access. You're taking the first actionable step toward sharing, so make a deliberate format choice now. AIF or WAV keeps quality. MP3 reduces file size for email or mobile. Once done with naming, you must decide how you'll use the file, and that guides the format and quality settings. Pick MP3 at 192/320 kbps if you need smaller files for email or messaging. Choose WAV or AIF at 16-bit/44. 1 kHz for mastering or high-quality delivery. Make sure to turn off Normalize when you need original dynamics preserved, and confirm the export location. Click Export and wait while Garageband writes. You now have a file ready to send. Choose the transport that matches the recipient. For immediate local transfers, use AirDrop. For email, attach the MP3 or compress large WAV/AIF into a zip. For collaboration, place the file in iCloud Drive and share a link. Make sure the recipient can open the chosen format. If not, re-export or convert using QuickTime. Troubleshooting tip: if transfer fails, check file size, limits, and network. Retry with a compressed MP3 if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.